Welcome to a quick overview of how to print lessons in Vizzle. Why is this important? Well, Universal Design for Learning best practices want to ensure that students do things in more than one way. For action, expression, engagement, this means that we do things in multiple modalities, multiple ways across the board. And whether you're using our lessons interactively to collect data or printing them out for some tabletop activities, it's important to know how to follow these quick steps. I'm going to start off by talking about activities themselves. So if you've logged into our lessons tab and you're searching for material, know that there's 3 levels. You can click on anything in our academic skill suite or Vizzle Classic and search for activities to print. If you're in our academic or skill suite, know that you can organize things by unit, topic, and then, of course, activity, which is the smallest piece of information you're going to print. So the quickest way to see that print functionality is just to click on the activity view. This takes you to the smallest piece of information. So right now, I'm looking at a list of activities in English Language Arts for kindergarten. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a details button that you can open up for more information. The activity is here for playback, but you can also click on the More button, and you'll find a quick print that you can select. It will open up the activity for you to be able to create that tabletop experience. So here we have a sorting activity that's going to open up and expand in our preview screen here. You can see the first cover page, and then down below, you'll see the information that the student's going to sort. So you can turn this into a file folder or have the student draw lines. There's lots of ways you can use these to engage with students in the classroom. I'm going to go ahead and hit the cancel button for now and go back to our lessons tab at the top of the screen. So as a quick reminder, all activities can be printed. It's the smallest unit. If you're in a unit view, searching for content and curriculum, you can use the filters to search and explore. So say we're looking for letter names and sounds. I can click on the details button and open up the pane to see the topics that are included. I can always expand that topic, click on my level of instruction, and then choose any activity from the list that I would like to print out by simply selecting it from the list. So if I want the student to have a copy of the instructional text, I click on the button, click on my More button, and hit the print button. It's going to open it up so I can get that preview, see what the lesson involves, and make sure that everyone has an opportunity to engage and explore. As you can see, we have our cover page. The student's going to go through. They have the information for instruction. It even prints out the questions at the end of the lesson, so your students can circle the answers and follow along. We're excited to work with you and wish you happy Vizzling as you continue to explore and support students in your classroom.